Quebradillas, and we have heard from our friend Heidi that there is a little cave, tunnel, hole that enters into the ocean. So it's on the cliffside over here. I've never been here, so she's going to show us. She explored it before, and she's always looking for new cool places for us to find around here, so let's check it out. Come over here. Come over here. And here she is, the adventure guide. Tours called Heidi. I didn't realize that this area right here, Heidi said, is where the train used to pass. This was one of the vias, one of the trainways. You can kind of see how it was cut through here. I just thought it was a waterway, but it was actually a train track. Right behind here, behind these bathrooms, we will be finding the path to this little cave entrance. Oh, look at that view. Por aquí. So right here you can start to see the hole that we're going to go through. Look at this beautiful tree just on the crag of this over cliff. Come look on here. Through on this side you'll be able to start to see the hole that we will be going into that will connect to the ocean.
So here we are, taking an adventure with little Aiden down the bunny chute. Can you believe that we are going to go into this little hole? You wouldn't think it goes anywhere, but apparently it leads right to the sea. Here we go. This is a tight fit. I'm not sure if I should go legs first or head first. Look at Mama.
Here we go. Ah. your head down. Watch your head. Wow, your dinosaur. Wow. Wave it out.
We come through the tunnel.
Wave it there. This is so fun. This is better than most tunnels at the playground, huh? Yeah, look how cool. But beautiful view. Little teeny hole. Aiden did really good. This is his size. A cave. Here we go. That was fun. Next on the stop is another cave or archway that's kind of hidden down on the shore. So from up here, we're still in the gazebos of the Merendero Park, but we're going down, down, down. Of the Merendero Park is where we're at now, or the last little gazebo, and you continue going down this, which was at some point a quebradilla of Quebradillas. Then we're going to reach the ocean shore, and we'll see from there where the archway is, the big cave that we're going to next. So we arrived at these little arches down here at the beach. It's perfect for taking pictures. It's just right off the shore at the very bottom of Merendero. Look how pretty this is. This is a piragua. This is another traditional kind of refreshment here in Puerto Rico. It's just shaved ice basically with some syrup on it. So it's a nice and refreshing on a hot day.